A habitat of wetlands is where it's damp and it seems like a swamp or a marsh. The weather can get as high as to 122 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A wetland is formed by water running through the soil in the air, which is filled with water. The animals in the wetland are muskrats, great blue herons, amphibians, and water-dwelling reptiles. The resources are the plants and water. The plants in the wetland are trees and flowers. The effect water has on a wetland is that it will die without water.